Good morning to everybody. Today my topic is applications of adsorption. First application in gas masks, activated charcoal or a mixture of adsorbents is generally used in gas masks to absorb poisonous and toxic gases from air. That means a activated charcoal or a mixture of adsorbents are used as adsorbent to absorb the poisonous gases and toxic gases present in the air. These masks are commonly used by the miners because there are poisonous gases like carbon monoxide and CH4 etc. in the atmosphere of coal mines. Therefore, these masks help to purify the air for breathing. That means in coal mines, poisonous gases, carbon monoxide and methane released in coal mines. Therefore, coal miners wear the gas masks to avoid the poisonous gases like carbon monoxide and CH4. Therefore, these masks help to purify the air for breathing. Second application is removal of humidity or water vapor present in air. That means silica and alumina gels are commonly used to absorb humidity or moisture from air. That means removal of moisture or removal of moisture from air. We used silicon alumina gels are used as adsorbents. Third application is removal of coloring matter from solutions. Many substances such as sugar, juice, and vegetable oils are colored due to the presence of impurities. They can be decolorized by placing in contact with adsorbents like activated charcoal or Fuller's earth. This method used in the manufacture of cane sugar. That means raw sugar present in brown color or red in color. Therefore, these impure sugar solution passed over to activated charcoal. Activated charcoal absorbed the colored impurities present in cane sugar. Therefore, sugar is purified. Next application is adsorbents. Adsorption play important role in heterogeneous catalysis. That means adsorption of reactants on the solid surface of catalyst increases the rate of reactions. Several metals react as good adsorbents in heterogeneous catalysis like iron, nickel, platinum, palladium, etc. are used in several manufacturing processes. For example, manufacture of ammonia using iron as a catalyst. This process is called Haber process. That means iron used as a catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia. This process is called Haber process. That means nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas absorbed on the surface of iron to give ammonia. Therefore, iron surface act as a adsorbent in this process. Manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process platinum used as a catalyst. In this case also adsorption play important role. Next third application is hydrogenation of oils. That means oils undergo hydrogenation in the presence of nickel catalyst to give fats. In this process adsorption play important role. That means adsorption process play important role in heterogeneous catalysis. Next, sixth application is adsorption indicators. Adsorption indicators used the detect of the endpoint of some titrations in volumetric analysis. Many adsorption indicators are being used in volumetric analysis. For example, dyes such as eosin and fluorescein. Eosin and fluorescein used as adsorption indicators. In these methods, the dyes are absorbed on the surface of a certain precipitates such as silver halides, silver bromide, silver colloid, etc., which give characteristic color at the end point. That means dyes absorbed on the surface of certain precipitates like silver chloride and silver bromide, which give the characteristic color at the end point. Therefore, adsorption indicators play important role in volumetric analysis. Next application is production of high vacuum. That means the adsorption of air in liquid air helps to create a high vacuum in a vessel. This process used in high vacuum instruments such as Devar flask for storage of liquid air or liquid hydrogen. The remaining traces of air can be absorbed by charcoal from the vessel evacuated by vacuum pump to give a very high vacuum. That means high vacuum play important role in storage of liquid air or liquid hydrogen. When evacuated pump is used to remove the impurities present in air, therefore this creates the high vacuum. That means the remaining traces of air can be absorbed by charcoal from the vessel evacuated by vacuum pump to give a very high vacuum. To create high vacuum, charcoal used as adsorbent. It absorbs the remaining traces of air to create the high vacuum. These high vacuum process very useful in storage of liquid air and liquid hydrogen. Next application is separation of inert gases. Due to difference in degree of adsorption of gases by charcoal, a mixture of noble gases can be separated by adsorption on coconut charcoal at different temperatures. Inert gases means like helium, neon, argon, krypton have various degree of adsorption by charcoal. Therefore, noble gases can be separated by adsorption process. That means these inert gases adsorbed on coconut charcoal at different temperatures. Therefore, inert gases can be separated by using the process of adsorption. This is one application of adsorption. Next, in froth flotation process. Froth flotation process used to removal of impurities present in sulfide ores. A low-grade sulfide ore is concentrated by separating it from silica and other earthly matters by adsorption using fine oil and froth agents. That means fine oil and frothing agents are mixed with sulfide ore. Therefore, impurities present in sulfide ore adsorbed by fine oil and frothing agents. Therefore, silica and other impurities removal from sulfide ores. This is the one application of adsorption. Next application is in curing diseases. That means several drugs are used to kill the bacteria or germs present in harmful cells. That means a number of drugs are used to kill the germs by getting adsorbed on them. Therefore, it adsorption play important role in curing diseases. These are the several applications of adsorptions. Thank you.